Hi, in this video, we'll be looking at a TOPDON BT200 battery tester. I'll be sharing its features, a demonstration of how it works, and why something like this could potentially save you hundreds of dollars down the road. First, let's look at its features. The BT200 has a simple interface with these buttons, making it easy to navigate its functions. It doesn't need a battery since it draws power from your car's battery, so there's no need to charge it, which is one less task to do. Once you plug the clamps onto the negative and positive terminals, it powers up, and you'll see the current status of your battery. I tried it on my car battery, which is still in good shape, and a motorcycle battery that's been lying around for years. If the battery is weak, it won't be able to test, but you'll see the battery voltage, which indicates the battery's condition. Once you open the main menu, you'll see these options: battery test, cranking test, and charging test. I'll be demoing the battery and cranking test for this video. Once you open the battery test, you'll have several options: regular flooded, ACM, GEL, and EFB. I'm using a regular flooded battery, so I'll select this option. Check your battery to see whether it uses DIN, CCA, or another metric. I'm going with cold cranking amps since it's a universal metric that a lot of manufacturers use. The BT200 then tests the battery, and you'll get the results after a few seconds. I also tested the car starter by using the crank test. Once you select this option, it prompts you to start the motor and measures how long it takes to start. Then it shows you the results. You can also review the data, but it only shows the last recorded tests for the day. But for its price, the TOPDON BT200 is a good investment, and something all car owners should have. It takes the guesswork out of diagnosing issues, whether you have a battery, starter, or alternator issue, by letting you test all three and make an informed decision on which part to buy, saving hundreds, even thousands of dollars from a misdiagnosis. If you find this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, as I'm looking to reach 1,000 subscribers. If you have any question about these products, please share them in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.